and stay on my business. Will watch you dying. I'm taking my people to highest rate crime, but regular living, and that's what I'm trying to prove. Instead of just lying in boots. First true Filipino rapper on the news. Enjoy it if you cool. Haters cause news while I put my city on the map. 2200. Long up city, no cap. Never forgetting the street where my cousin would sit, where we always just listen to rap. Kendrick, M and ASAP with some metal and mammy, we turn up with that. Been mundane till the sun came. Now I want fame like a kid in a trap. Hey, I've been in Spain, but the letter S is silent. I'm claiming my reign like a king so I can water crops for surviving. Go away if you trippin'. Had a homie, he was crippin'. Ain't got no love for the people who talk over songs when they claiming they listen. These bars never done. 3 stars in the sun. Ayy, blue, red, draped down on the flag. No, we never fear none. Most of us didn't grow up with a trust fund. Know that I'm willing to kill for a loved one. I'm on the move from another in the summer, reminding my people to shout. Tayo'y Pilipino, kahit anong kulay ng balat, isa sa puso. Mapatagalog, Bisaya o Ilocano, walang tatalo sa bagsik ng ating dugo. Isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo. Huwag nang pag-usapan ng mga negatibo. Pangyayari sa mampanig ka na sa mundo. Kinabukasan na natin to panalo. Ay, kung inakala mong isang lingwahe lang kaya gamitin ni easy, nila ka mapapala kung ganyan ka mag-isip ka bakala. Kasi sige utang nagaling sa loob na lumutang. Hinain sa turon na may pusang sinain sa uray mo nga ibagakin na di ka mga good uray mo sinili ang tayo. Tapno sasang itam akin tiwagas mo ang payo. Natakay kaya tumong patayod ka ka na to'y bayo. Si kayo nga am-amin, lahat kayo.